Yeah. I think a lot of people mistake the self-assessment year end and the sole trade year. Like, they always think it's the same, don't they? What is the difference between that, your personal tax return and your year end as a sole trader?
Well, historically, you could have different year ends, but like I said, because of the basis period reform, everyone's been brought in to having, if you're a sole trader, your year end is 31st of March, 5th of April. So now it does tie in very well. So the tax year end will equate to
Your
a
year
business's year end. Historically, people have business year ends. It could be any date in the year, and you could be like 18 months behind with your tax. So, but the HMRC reformed it. It was a bit of a pain to do it, and
it took a couple of years, didn't it? But
the basis period reform, your transitional profits that you had to calculate, and it was like finding unicorn teeth trying to get the overlap profits from the revenue. But we managed to do that for the majority of our clients.
Yeah, and some sole traders prior to everybody having the same year end now, why would they change the year end? They used to be able to change the year end partway through the year, extend it, shorten it by a day.
It was all for tax planning. So if you went back years, I remember a lot of dentists or medical practices, if they were sole traders, had a 30th of April year end, which meant they effectively delayed paying their tax on their profits that they made in the business by 18 months, which was great for cash flow. But with this basis period reform, it's all caught up on everybody now.
Yeah.
So they're all straight. So it was for tax planning reasons, or if they set a business up on, say, in July as a sole trader, they just wanted to trade 12 months to see how they'd done for 12 months. They ended up with the July year end. I mean, we've had clients with the 17th of July year end as a sole trader, just because that was what was done historically. I think it's all changed now, so the year end corresponds with the tax year end.
Yeah.
So
I think in the past you could just set up, couldn't you? And if you didn't know any better, you'd set up on the 1st of June.
Yeah.
And you'd just be working, and you wouldn't know anything about these kind of things. Well, so nowadays people are more clued up, and things like this, aware with the base reform and the 31st of March year end. But back in the day, people would just, I'm just going to start my business today.
Yeah, and they'd just start the business, find an accountant, and
that'd be
quite often the accountant did what they was there to do, submit the returns. Perhaps never really had a discussion with them. Do you know you can extend your year end so it's the end of a month or
that's it, and it's
the end of
probably,
March or whatever.
It's probably been like that for 15 years, and it's just always been that. And then things like this basic period form come in, and then it kind of catches some people out with it.
I think, to be fair to the revenue, we're talking about it now, it simplifies it, doesn't it? So everybody knows as a sole trader that your year end is either the 31st of March or the 5th of April.
Yeah, and I mean, even on the flip side for us, although we're going to have many year ends being March now, we can plan our work, which jobs are due and when, rather than it being January, February, March.
Well, that's what
7 in
makes
April,
it easier, doesn't it? Every job is due at the same day.
Yeah.
Every sole trader is going to have 31st of March year end, and it's going to be due for filing the January following, isn't it? It's going to be part of their tax return. At least from day one, then you've got your full list of what needs doing.